Can't leave you behind. Every night at 12, breaking all the rules. Everybody's teaching that you make it go. Got me acting crazy, baby, I'm not losing. Only good my man, baby. Peaceful, I'll be here for you. Can't stop this feeling, my heart is feeling. Beside angel. No me importa nada.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
Anything exciting happening? Did I miss anything? You know what we're going to be focusing on? I think from now on, a simple fund system that you can use, pass your accounts quickly, get funded quickly, get payouts quickly. That was a chocolate bar. It was delicious. Yeah, that's what we're going to be focusing on now, from now on, in the evening and in the day session, the morning session. I have my glass of milk. All right, let's see what we got. Let's do full setup. All-time high, 25,180. Is that even close to accurate? Not anymore, eh? Let's open up the data box. Make some adjustments here. All-time high, 25,393. Can I click on it? No, eh? So, where will I find that? Over here. Anytime you want to change. What did I say? 25,393. Okay. Four-hour chart. So what were we looking at this morning? Let's get rid of a lot of these lines here. A little confusing. Get rid of the vertical. I don't even know why that vertical grid is there. I didn't even have it in there. I mean horizontal grid. Transparent. Okay. Yep, I was looking at this trend line thinking if we touch it, it would be great for a continuation trade to the downside. But like I said, what I kind of missed is where we sold off the last time. And that was, let me change my cursor over here. F6. Right there. Make it a little bit bigger. So this is the last place we sold off. Close enough to the trend line. I mean, we basically kissed it and sold off for how many points there? Almost 25,000, 600 points. Anyways, that's not really too much on my playbook, but that was something that I was looking at. Let's see if we can throw in another. Can we get a triple touch here? No, that doesn't work, eh? Anyways, we'll watch that. We'll see where we go with that. The daily. Don't have the daily up. 5 minute. 5 minute. We're not really doing much. Let me just see what we did on the open today. 1, 2. Really? We haven't. The 2 minute opening range didn't fire off. No kidding. Did to the short side. Let me see. Right there. 752. And we closed at 48, went down as low as 48 points with about a 12-point range. No, this one would have lost. Well, not really, actually. I think it's still in the trade. It's so messy. So messy, these lines, the way Ninja Trader displays them. Let me get up the chat docs, chat. Where's my chat? Let's do a deal in the end. What is my future hold for me? Do I win the first one? Dealer 28. Really? Give me a 27. Fixed. Rigged. Okay, break of end of day, yes. Don't I get to choose? What's that line over there? That is the break of end of day. What makes it confusing is the... Hold on. The way they draw the lines. Closed at 48 and a quarter, went as low as 40, that's 8 points. We have to be going for 14 points, so we can be looking to go short again. This thing is a, where's our stop here? 1581, no, that's 35 points away, that's too much. I don't want to just take a trade just based on that, but we do have the VWAP just below us. Previous close below us. Let's see if we can start trading lower before we work at taking a trade. Let's change this. What did we say to Ike and sheet? Didn't I save it? Could have sworn I saved it. Data series. Volume. 400. I'm going to disconnect for a second. Connections, disconnect, because I do want to see something on my other computer. Could have sworn that I had this already as a template. 400 volume? I don't have a 400 volume. There's a shit ton of templates. I think I can delete a lot of them. Oh, I can connect. What am I doing? 55 EMA 0.01. Data series. Color for down bars, black. MNQ 400 volume chart. Add. And this is the did I connect up there? No, I didn't. Well, we got a couple of good trades. Morning, Omnius. Resetting my charts. I think I'm bringing Ninja Trader back as my main charts for my stream. I'm not reading the deal me in. I'm not reading the markets as good as I would like to on Project X. I don't have my previous day's high, low, and close. I don't have VWAP. VWAP is completely different. Even, I mean, it's an anchored VWAP, and even if you put it at the beginning of the day at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, the Globex open, it's not working properly. My Ninja Trader won't work. Really? What's wrong with it? Want to go on Discord and troubleshoot? I think my cat's throwing up. Yeah, I don't mind if you want to do that. Want to chat for a minute? Yeah, I don't mind. Give me a second here. Sparky, leave me alone. What do I got to do? Step 1, turn off camera. Step 2, minimize. There's no camera. Step 3. Okay, so everything is off. Cameras are off. Mic is off. Oh, wait, if I turn off my mic. If I turn off my mic in OBS, that doesn't affect Discord. Okay, I'll be in Discord. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if we can catch a little bit of a move up. Tiger, Butter Stunts, how you guys doing? Missed the move in gold. Yeah, where is my gold chart? I don't have one. I gotta put one up. Are you really? You kidding me? You're gonna do me a 2-1-1? Gonna frustrate me this evening. I gotta put up a gold chart and see what gold's doing. I like to keep an eye on gold. I saw it rocketed up to 4,100, maybe even higher. Crazy. What are you doing, sir? I'm trading sideways and I'm getting in a little bit late. Can't give me a little bit of a pop. Maybe I should just wait for tomorrow or wait for it to reset a little bit. What do we got? We've got 7 points of volatility on the 7.72 reading on the ATR, average range on the 1 minute candles. But we are in a little bit of a kind of sideways chop here for the last few minutes on the 1 minute chart. And I'm long at the top of it. Not really good. Let me open up a gold chart. Duplicate in new tab. I like to keep an eye on gold. There we go. Move it down to here. MGC. Can you pop a little bit there, you fucking pain in the ass NQ? I'll take a small little profit here, 3 points. I'll have a small loss for the day. For the evening session, I'll deal with it tomorrow. MGC. It's the DEES contract, eh? I will tell you. Go, you motherfucker. Another point higher. 4,200. Holy Christ. That's nuts. I am sure a lot of people are getting hurt in that market. 10, 10 and a quarter, 9 and a quarter. How does it go from 10 and a quarter to 9 and a quarter? I don't even get it. Sell limit my other 3 at 12.75. I traded NQ ES. Been executing my trades on ES lately. Well, it's been tough, to be honest with you. At least I've been finding it tough to get clean, good executions and to get the price that I wanted. I don't know if other people are having that issue, but I'm finding I'm entering trades late. Was it all clean execution? Just the setups didn't work? Or did the volatility cause problems for you? Oh, so close to my stop out. Going back. Okay, take me out. There we go. What am I down? It messed with my head today too because it came a tick for my entry on my second trade. Yeah, that's frustrating. Yeah, it's funny. It's frustrating when you're trading it live, but if you're back testing or you're just looking at results, you never see that. You never see when it goes, you know, like a tick to take profit or a tick from your entry. It's funny. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like the higher volatility. Yeah, I like the higher volatility, but it has been causing me a little stress with executions. Or maybe I wasn't that. Yeah, that is true. Maybe I just haven't been patient enough fighting for a good entry price. Omnius is having major difficulties with hey, wow, that sounds delicious. Gregorian chants of holy silence. Monastic voices. Omnius is having problems with his ninja traders not bringing in the data. He opens up his chart. He only gets the most recent minute. Anybody ever hear of that before? That's a really odd problem to have. Excuse me. Your accounts are loading. Really? You've heard of that? His accounts are loading. And he just has the most recent 1 minute. He has no back data whatsoever. And if he tries to click, what's that thing there? Let me go up here and look at it. Right click. Reload all historical data. It's grayed out. He doesn't even have it. I told him to either do a system restore. That's what I like to do when I have a problem. I go back 3, 4, 5 days. Or do a fresh install. But the problem is with a fresh install, you risk losing your work. You have to really think about that because you don't want to lose all your bots and the indicators that you've created. Maybe he blew his account. No, he still sees all his accounts. He didn't blow his account. Rest in peace. And besides that, with Bulenox, if you blow your accounts with Ninja Trader and Rhythmic, you still have access to your SIM accounts. Yeah, he thinks it's the data from the firm. He should still have access to his SIM accounts. Well, he'll have to contact them and see if they're having an issue. Did I have any issues today? I trade them now on Project X. I switched over, so I couldn't be of any help for that. Well, whatever it is, it's always a fucking pain in the ass when you have a problem like that. There's so much work you got to do after to get everything working properly. I get so frustrated when I have computer problems like that. What's the range for the evening from high to low? How many? 817, 741 series? Not even 100 points, 60, 80 points. That's it. With an ATR of 7? That's surprising. What am I looking at? MA. I think I need to do a little bit of a house cleaning on all my templates. I got way too many chart templates. First off, let's save the workspace. I mean, there were some decent moves tonight. What did we get here? We got one winner, one loser, two winners, three winners, three losers, four losers. Well, 4-4. Four winners, four losers tonight, since 6 o'clock. Let's see. I'm going to take a trade. I don't know, does it show up? Yeah, off the 400 volume chart. I entered in early on the first piece. Let's see if we can get a bullish candle. I'll open it up. If we can get a bullish candle, I'll add to the trade. Hopefully we can get a little continuation after that. Hasn't been too much continuation lately. Little bounce, little bounce, little bounce. Let's get the volume counter. I don't even know where we are. V. Volume counter. Count down. No. Show percent. No. Okay. 265. We're still far from 400. 275. 280. Looks like it's going to close bullish. You know what? Maybe I'll just peel off a few pieces and start tomorrow with a small loss instead of adding over here. If I would have added over here at 02, I would have targeted 07, about 5 more points. 6 would have been an extra $30, but nah, that would increase my risk, and we're not seeing any follow through, any continuation after the bullish candles. See, going back down again. This is actually the one system that I have that you get in early. Most of the time it pays off. I mean, you have to get in strategically early, but what is the volume today? Do I have that somewhere? NQ volume. Where are you? Oh, that's not bad. 100,000. That's pretty good. Trading 12 points above VWAP, 40 points above previous day's close. Let's mark off the evening sessions high, evening sessions low. We're kind of stalling out near the high, but remember, I've mentioned many times between 8 and 8:30, you often see a swing low put in. So it looks like it's this one right here on the 1 minute chart. And we traded higher from there, but at this point, anything can happen now. That was the move. Well, give me $20 on this little piece that's left. That was really quiet. Almost as if it's not open. Oh, I thought we would get a little bit of pop there. 22.10.03. Let me put in a sell at 03 just in case it pops there and comes back. 04. Markets have a tendency to do that in the evening. When there's not a lot of volume, somebody comes in with a 20 lot, it sends it higher, comes right back down. See, that for me is the algo. Identifying the fact that a fat finger order came in and incorrectly pushed the market. So what it does is, in my opinion, it likely start selling it back down to where it was and buying the stock to lock in a little bit of an arbitrage profit. Woo, balloons. Who doesn't love balloons? Let's do. Gotta love the balloons. Come on, take me out at 04. Take me out of my misery. I'm in the mood to make a video. Take me out. 04, I'll close down. I'll have a tiny loss. I mean, even $32 here is a tiny loss. Omnius calls a $32 red day a break-even day. I call it a red day. But I'm not going to turn this evening into a green. Okay, I had enough. Close. I think I'm gonna call it here. I'll be streaming again tomorrow at 9:15 or earlier. Thanks for showing up, guys. I should count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nope. Didn't pop up to 8:45. Okay, Coach Fred. Yeah, I'll be dealing. Too late. Too little, too late. Too late. Too late to turn my evening green. Yeah, I'll be streaming again tomorrow, 9:15 or earlier, me and Omnius. And thanks for hanging out. Hit the like button if you can. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.